Hi everyone, it's Lori from Pizzazz Studios. How are you doing? I am going to mix up some pouring medium for a bloom technique, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you. Hopefully it'll be fairly quick. I'm not going to get into the whole process. I'm just going to do the pouring medium right now. So, this is a bloom on a tile, in case you're wondering what the bloom is. It's a Shelly Art bloom technique. This is the way that I'm gonna do it today. I want to explain a couple things to you and to those who may be having a little difficulty trying to get this to work. But excuse me while I adjust my phone for a second. Sorry about that. It's kind of falling out of the holder here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple things. I want to try to make this plain and simple, and I hope this helps you, because that is my goal. My goal is just to help you try to figure this out. I will do my best. If you need any assistance, you can leave me comments down below. I will try and help you as best I can. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out on YouTube, and I appreciate that. Now, as we get started here, you need a couple of things. One of them, you may have heard about this one. It's Sherwin-Williams. It's Ultra Deep Base. Okay, it's an interior exterior high gloss, Sherwin-Williams. This was actually recently discontinued. There are other ones that people do use that you can research that work just as well. I have not tried them yet, so I'm not going to mention them. And I don't even have them. So this is what you need. And if you do not or cannot find this, the other thing you can use. Now, what I'm showing you this because well, there's been some confusion with people that it seems to be a lot of ingredients, but it's really not. You can replace one ingredient with something else, and I think that's where the confusion may come in. So what I want to explain is this Sherwin-Williams ultra deep base, okay? How it says enamel finish, okay? If you cannot find this or don't have it or ran out or whatever, you can go to Color Art. Color Art makes beautiful pigments, paint pigments and things like this. Okay, Primary Elements. This is their pigments, but it's by Color Art. You can go to their website. It's colorart.com. I will list that down in the description box for you. Okay, but it's COLOURARTE.com. That's how they spell it. For the people here in the United States, it's a little bit different than what we're used to, so that's how that's spelled. Now, if you don't have this, okay, you can use this from Color Art. It's Vivid Enamel Tintable Paint Base. All right, so you want to use this if you cannot find the Sherwin-Williams one, okay? So basically, they're let's say the same thing, okay? You don't need both, all right? You only need one or the other. Now, the other thing I want to mention is you've probably heard that you need Minwax polyacrylic, okay? This is a big old can of it here I have. All right, so Minwax makes this. It's water-based polyacrylic clear gloss. Okay, so you need that also. If you don't have this or cannot find this, your other option, or instead of that, is this. It's Chroma's Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish. Okay, it's a polyurethane water-based varnish. Okay, basically the same thing as your polyacrylic. All right, so if you don't have this, you can use this. You do not You do not need both. So it's not like you need all 4 of these ingredients. You just need 2. Okay, this is your thin one. This is your thick one. That's all you need. Okay. Very simple. These can be a little difficult to find sometimes. I did find this on Amazon. It depends on, you know, their inventory levels and stuff like that, but you can find it. So look for that. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to take a cup. Let's see, I'm just thinking of what I want to do today is I'm just going to use the Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish and the Vivid Enamel, okay, together. I'm going to put away my Sherwin-Williams, because I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to put away my polyacrylic, because I'm not going to use it. This is strictly for a pouring medium, okay? I'm not mixing in any paints. I'm not mixing in any color. This is strictly a pouring medium. Just so we're clear, I want you to know what I'm doing here. I haven't used these in a little while, so I need to, oh, they look okay. All right, so what you want to do for these, you're going to get a cup. You're going to get a measuring cup or something to this effect. I'm going to measure this in ounces. Okay, this cup only goes up to 1 ounce, so I'm going to need to use this a few times. What you're going to do is you're going to measure 3 to 1. 3 parts of your Vivid Enamel to 1 part of the gloss varnish. Okay, so let me just grab my couple things here. I need a stir stick. Since this only goes up to 1 ounce, obviously I'm going to need to do this 3 times. I'm going to pour it right into my measuring cup up to the 1 ounce line. Straight out of the bottle. It's really thick. Okay, so there we go. Hoping you can see this okay. So it's up to the 1 ounce. You see how thick it is? I'll show you more too when I get it in the bigger cup. Okay, I'm gonna put it into this plastic. This is a 5 ounce cup, possibly a 5.5 ounce cup. So you figure you're pouring 3 to 1, right? So 3 ounces of this and 1 ounce of that. So that's 4 ounces. So you're gonna need a cup that's at least probably 5 ounces to give you some room to stir it really well. Okay, that's 1 ounce. This is 2 ounce, or ounces. I just see so many people struggling with this that I felt like I wanted to make a video and try to just, you know, explain it in clear, very clear, you know, instructions so that people can understand it. Because it is confusing when you see all these different ingredients and you don't understand what they are, you don't understand what they're for, things like that. So it gets confusing. Everybody has their own way of doing it, and that's great. I love that. But I understand why people get confused, and I'm just hoping to make a little sense of all this for you. That's all. Okay, so there's another ounce, so this will be 3 ounces of Vivid Enamel. All right, going right into my cup here. Try to get it all out of there. Okay, that is that. So that's 3 ounces. So now, like I said, it's 3 to 1. So let me just put my cover on my Vivid Enamel here. I'm done with that. Let me set that aside. Then next we're going to use the Josanya gloss varnish, okay? So 1 ounce of this. Since it's a 3-to-1, 3 ounce vivid enamel, 1 ounce gloss varnish. Okay, stir these in together. After you mix up your pouring medium, you can put it in a squeeze bottle if you prefer, or you can put it in any other container if you want. You can actually leave it right in here if you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe that out real quick. If you don't mind, give me just a moment. Get my alcohol, clean that out. Okay, so I've got myself some isopropyl alcohol. So basically rubbing alcohol. I'm just sprayed this in here and cleaning it all out. I just want to kind of clean it ahead of time. I don't want it sitting in there too long. Give this a quick clean. Okay. Where were we? Mix it. Okay. So here we go. Here's our cup. Okay, this is 3 ounces vivid enamel, 1 ounce of the Josanya varnish. You're going to need to mix it very well. So like I said, this is just the pouring medium, okay? So what you do is you take your pouring medium and you're going to mix that in with your primary elements, your color pigments, your paints even. If you use 2 paints or what have you, you can do that. Now honestly, that's all there is to it. This is a pouring medium right here. You see it's on the rather thick side. Okay. Trying to hold it up so you can see it very well. It's very thick. It does not just flop right down and back into the cup. You see how it lays on the top? It's really thick. Kind of like a little thinner than like condensed milk. All right, so that's it. Give that good old mixing. Make sure it's all mixed together really well. And that's it. On my next video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix this in with some of my primary elements. And I'll show you how I do that, okay? So leave me any questions, anything you have down below in the comment section. I'll try and help you out. Okay? Well, I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day.